Hey there, Russ Whitney here from RussWhitney.com. You know, I just answered a question, and it was a question that came in from One Apartment 4, but I only answered one part of the question. I answered the second part. And it's about, I attended Daymond John Success Formula in Vancouver yesterday. I was quite impressed by the speakers. They were pushing a 3-day boot camp. They wanted $2,000. Is this good? Not good. There's no reviews on it. I gave a long-winded answer to that. And so I don't know how you would look this up, you know, based on you watching this video. How would they look it up, Bill? Is there a way? No? Well, I did mention One Apartment 4 was the guy's question that I answered, right? All right, so the second part of this question is, P.S. I'm interested in the real estate course, and I gave him a long-winded answer on why it might not be a good idea. And you know what? If you have a question and you can't find that one, pose the same question. Should you go to these real estate seminars that are free and they're using the Josh Altmans or the Flip This House, Flop That House or the Daymond Johns? You write me a letter and ask me what it's about, and I'll give you the inside truth on it. All right. P.S. I'm interested in the real estate course I'm in the real estate course, and probably a quarter of the population, so that would be 100 million people, a quarter of the population in the world are already doing FBA. Yikes. Well, FBA, guys, let me just tell you this. I'm assuming you're talking about FBA Stores, which is the company that promotes the Amazon business. Oh, come to our seminar. We'll teach you how to get rich on Amazon. They'll deliver it free. They'll do this for free, that for free. Well, all I can tell you is this. I don't necessarily, I know of the people that were involved in it, but I do know this. It was shut down by the Federal Trade Commission about 2 months ago, maybe 4 months ago, for income claims. In other words, claiming things that you can't really do, just not true. And there's a lot of that goes on in the seminar industry. So again, caveat emptor, Latin for let the buyer beware. In this case, they're shut down. They were sued for $50 to $100 million. The owners were barred from being even in the seminar industry anymore, and they froze all of their assets and I believe kept that money. I'm not sure. You want any more information on, just simply go to FBA Stores lawsuit with FTC and you can find it firsthand. So there's Russ Whitney giving you the straight poop. RussWhitney.com. Go there.